Hi, here we go again with this. I think this is going to be our third gift. The second gift was yesterday, the one that you have seen, which is the 25 days or 24 days of treats for Sophia. And this time we're going to unbox. This is my gift to Sebastian. So yeah, and then as you can see, it is from Apple. And tan 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 tan. Do you have any guess what is this one? So this one is part of our 12 days of gifting. And then it's gonna be ta-da! It's the Apple Watch. So this one is the Apple Watch Ultra 2 49mm titanium blue alpine loop. And then yeah, so that's the one. So and then we're gonna open it for you guys. It's really nice because we checked it out today at Victoria Garden. So the packaging was so nice. Look at this one. Ta-da! And then it's a watch. And then this is their what is this? Their catalog type of thing. So yeah. And then there's the watch. And then the features of the watch. And there you go. And then this one too. There you go. Okay, so that's that. Look at that. It's the Apple Watch Ultra. And then there's like two boxes in here. The first box is the loop, the bracelet. And this one is the Alpine Loop Titanium G hook closure. So this is his favorite one among all of them. There's like navy green and then this one, and then there's a purple too. But this is the one that he liked. It's a blue color. And then tan tan na, and then here's the watch. So we're going to, it's really a genuine unboxing. You already know us for that anyways. There's no secret on that. So we bought this one today, and this is my gift to you. Yay! So yeah, so here's the watch. I don't wanna let it fall. And then here's the cable of that. And then the charger. And then here's the watch. So it's really nice. Ta-da! Oh, I'm scared that I'm going to let it fall, and then it's gonna be like gonna be on me. So here's the watch. There you go. It's really nice, huh? He's in front of me, and probably he's scared that I'm going to let it fall. Let it fall, and then I'm gonna be done, right? So this is the loop. So in this one, you are going to be able to pull it out, and there's the loop. There's the instruction of it. And then the loop, oh, you can just pull it out. So this is how it looks like. And then he's going to set it up. He really likes this one because there's a WhatsApp features on this one, and the screen is bigger than the usual. So like so. And then this one is a hook one that you're gonna be able to unhook and hook and unhook that. So if you're going to, I have the old one, and then let's get rid of that and then put the new one in. It's really big. And then this one is stretchable. This one, the bracelet. So I think it's gonna fit me. I hope so. So yeah, there we go. And then when you're going to lock it, you're just going to hook it like so. So yeah, let's just pretend. There you go. There you go. What do you think of this one? Yay! I love you, Sebastian. Merry Christmas. This is for you from me. What do you like? What do you think? Anyways, thank you very much for supporting us in this channel. This is the third day of the 12 day of Christmas gifting to each other. And then we have this one, including Sophia, of course. Of course, she's our baby. And then today we have the Apple Watch Ultra number 2. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo and Seb and Sophia. We'll see you again in the next video. We'll see you again. Stay tuned for day number 4. Bye.
What do you think, Carlo?
Yeah, I like that.
I've been there. It's a nice